Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Bomber Crew, and we're going to be continuing our campaign of Bomber Crew. So we're just going to play the normal one. It's only a low game. Wishful thinking. So yeah, if you could comment down in the comments below if you're able to do that. A good name for our bomber. At the moment, it's called Bombs Away, I think. So let's head over to aircraft. I don't know if I properly renamed it. Yeah, I didn't. So I'm not really sure how we. Here we go. Here we go. Well, I'll just call it that for now. I don't think I can get anything else. Yeah, no. Crew gear. Are you kidding me? That's all we got. Oh, gloves as well. Nope. I mean, fine. Yeah. We'll equip. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna have to do that for anybody else. Let's get it for the captain. He's like one of the most important. Not like all of them are. Not like every single one of them are not important, but he's one of the most important ones that we need. What's this one up here? Sub hunt. Allied shipping is being harassed by those U-boats in the North Sea. We've been tasked with hunting down and sinking the blighters. What we got? No. Motor factory at Zuberg. Yeah. Our reconnaissance has identified one of the enemy's motor factories in Belgium. Let's knock it out. Or search and rescue. Now, do any of those... They're low risk. Let's do this one. So we're going to be saving one of our Spitfire pilots, which will be useful. Bombs away. Now we have to drop supplies. This will be our second proper mission. I think I want to be at low altitude. So I just be off from low altitude. Cadena has a parachute. It will drift. It will drift if dropped too high. Okay. So I want to stay at low altitude. Approaching London, apparently. There we see over there. That must be the Thames then. Yeah, as I said, the graphics are not going to be very good. Do we see any... I can't see any familiar buildings. Nope. So we're just going to have to travel out into the channel and drop supplies. So what I'm going to do... Right, is it him? Right, what we're going to do is we're going to go in here and we're going to... Yeah, you get on that. I want to head over here now. What we're going to do is we're going to stay, as you can see in the probably bottom right of your screen, we can see the little aiming reticle I have to use. We can see obviously the open doors. We can take a photo if we need to, and this is the supplies. We need open doors and stuff when we need to. Clear area of enemies. There's enemies where? We are at low altitude, aren't we? Yeah. Ah, there he is. So what I want to do is I want to drop open. Oh shoot! Oh god! I might have dropped the supplies a bit too far from him. Or he can swim if he wants to. There he is. Whereas what the hell? Oh yeah, we have to protect him and stuff so he doesn't get killed or anything. What I think I'm gonna do is get him on this one. Now, I think soon, if we level up our crew enough, yeah. It's still 2 belts of ammo, I think. How's Perkins? It's still 2, he has enough. I'll set him down there. Yeah. Everyone seems to be doing fine for health. Just got one left over there. Who do we need? He needs to get onto that. No idea where we are. Who's boil? Resupply. Yeah, he definitely needs to resupply. Perkins, I want you back on that. And I want you to resupply as well. What does what can Rue do? Can head back to his seat. No, not no. Wallace. Back on there. Row. Get back on there. Okay, I think we've done okay on that mission. Just need to head back here, I guess. We can speed up time, can't we? Alright. There we go. Let's just quickly speed up time. What we need to do, let's lower gear so we're ready. Remember last time I messed up with the landing, I accidentally forgot to lower the gear, landing gears down. So we just need to get the right angle. We're just going in circles at the moment. We just need to get the right angle and the, well, not the right angle, but the right direction and the right amount of space for him to lower the plane down to. And we have returned, almost. And there we go. We have arrived back from a mission. A very successful mission, I'd say. Mission result. Yep. Returned and repaired. I'm on photo. Which gives us 2,545. Continue. And all returned. Oh, got a new skill. Focus. It's good. Getting focus stuff and that. Okay. Increased focus when aiming result in higher accuracy for a duration. Conserve fuel by using a leaner mix. Okay, I have all these new stuff. I think I'm going to focus on crew and stuff this time. Right, crew gear. What we need to do is we need to let's go you. What do you need? Headgear. No, hold on. It's oxygen. Yeah, okay. I think what I'm going to do is do everyone the same. What we need is an oxygen as well. Vest. Do you need a vest? We'll keep the light flak vest on, but we'll give you gloves. Yeah, we'll give you the woolen gloves and the leather boots. Oh, not. There we go. Headgear. Mark 1. Oh wait, I can equip to all, can't I? That's better. Oxygen. Equip to... No. Yes. Gloves. And boots. Hold on. There we go. Leaves us 870. There we go. Now everyone has a land survival vest, Mark 1. Okay. We do now training. Oh, someone has something over here, don't they? Ah, right. Bomb aimer. I think all we want you as a gunner, don't we? Yeah. I think that's a good idea because we were switching them out onto that. Now aircraft. I don't think we can really do much on it, can we? Livery, nose art. Not. Don't think we have much, do we? No. Nah. Wing up. No. Engines. I can't do anything much, I don't think. Systems. Radar Mark 1. No, we can't do much actually. Cat survival. Oh, pigeons. Can't avoid that. Okay. Never mind. Let's go for our briefing. What else do we have? Operational chariot. Medium risk, medium duration. We will be supporting a daring commando raid on the impenetrable U-boat base at Saint Nazaire. They will ram the base in a ship packed with explosives before disembarking and detonating charges. It will be quite a show. Does pay well. It's a critical. Oh, it's a critical mission, so it's not hard. It's just critical. And that has an enemy ace in mission area. Gonna need to bomb that. And sub hunt. I say if we do this and get enough money, yeah, let's do that. Sorry if you're hearing a bunch of clicking, that's just me sorting out my own thing for my chair. So let's yeah, let's do this mission. Oh, it's raining. Head to the commando ship rendezvous point at Falmouth. Okay. Actually, might have to stay at low. Actually, it might be better. Yeah, okay. Just want to speed this up. I like the raining with the rain like sound on the top of the bomber. Let's keep on this at the moment. Oh, we're passing Chesil Beach. Famous thing about this, during World War II, if you have ever heard of like the Dam Busters, they actually tested the bouncing bomb on this beach here. Yeah, so that's where they tested the bouncing bomb to destroy the bridges and that. Not bridges, dams. It's also where the Abbotsbury Swannery is, I believe. The rain has suddenly stopped. Ah, there it is. Any fights spotted? Question is, where are the U-boats? Just running low on ammo. Who do we need? Right, get on the thing quicker. What we need to do. Oh shoot, open doors. No, oh god, no. We're gonna have to go past again. Oh, it's released torpedoes. Shoot. Okay, it's only hit a tiny bit. Come on. Oh, it's sunk. Never mind. This is where it gets a bit difficult now, isn't it? We're not going to get this one in time. Neither that one. Nah. Please don't hit it. Oh, that hits it. Never mind. Oh god, this is our first ever mission where we have to defend it though. Nah, we're never going to get these. That's lost more than half its health. Brilliant. How's he doing for ammo? Refill. Perfect. Oh, that's where it is. I'm ready to release and nice. This is a very critical mission as well, so if we do this, it should work. It's entering the U-boat's port. Good job, the ship is in position and the crew have fled. Prepare for grand... Oh my god! That's definitely going to be the title of the video, isn't it? Oh my god! U-boat port destroyed. U-boat port destroyed. I repeat, U-boat port destroyed. Let's close that up. Let's get Ball here back on that gun. And let's target. There's 4 again, are you kidding me? Jesus Christ. More? Oh god. 1. Any more? Oh wait. Photo? Let's try and get it. How are we doing for fuel? 17 minutes. We should be fine. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do high altitude. Let's try and do that actually, it might be easier. It's not gonna be very good, is it? We took it. No, we're gonna have to abort. I'm gonna drop to medium. Wait, who's dead? Oh shoot, they're both down. You're kidding me. Right, instead, I want, oh, we're gonna fail this, I think. Right, and then, you heal him first. Oh god. That. And heal him. Jesus Christ. Now, do we have other medkits here? Because he needs to... Oh, we have more and more medkits. Grab that. Oh, we're gonna lose someone. Oh no. Get on your gun. I think we've actually lost someone now. There's no other first aid kits. Oh, let's get you on there. No, we don't have any more med kits. We might have to do something about that, I think. I think we have now finally lost someone. Oof. It was a critical mission. Hopefully it does pay well, but... So that's probably going to be it for this video. I'm going to land this time before we do anything. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you did so, and yeah, be sure to comment down below what we should name our bomber. We haven't lost it yet, which is surprising. It's gone better than Space Crew so far. That we haven't lost it, and we haven't called it HMS Invincible, whatever you call planes. We haven't called it Invincible or anything, so that's good. So we're going to be landing now. And that's going to be the end of this video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like this video again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.